kind of car is this? This is a minivan. It doesn't run on liquid fuel like other cars, but on electricity, since it has a battery inside. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Body, dashboard, steering wheel, door, door, wheel, wheel, wheel,
Bingo!
wheel.
Nice!
Excellent! Let's go!
Look at how the door opens. The robots go in. The red robot's behind the wheel. The minivan's moving, but very slowly. I wonder why. Ah! Connect the car to the wind generator. It turns out the minivan will run on wind power. Wow! It's ready. Now, scoop, lifty, high.
Huh? Help! Uh-oh! Oh, no! Hooray! Hooray!
Thank you very much.
Yes, you got it!